conversation, animals and birds. Our first question is, name some animals. Children, you have to repeat with me. Some animals are lion, cow, goat, rabbit and tiger. Now our next question is, which animal give us milk? Cow, goat and buffalo give us milk. Again children, repeat with me. Cow, goat and buffalo give us milk. Now next. Which animal has a long neck? The giraffe has a long neck. Again repeat with me. The giraffe has a long neck. Now our next question is, which animal jumps from tree to tree? The monkey jumps from tree to tree. Again, the monkey jumps from tree to tree. Now next. Which is our national animal? The tiger is our national animal. Again, the tiger is our national animal. Name some birds. Some birds are parrot, hen, crow, duck, sparrow and peacock. Again, some birds are parrot, hen, crow, duck, sparrow and peacock. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. The peacock is our national bird. Where do birds live? Birds live in the nest. Where do birds live? Birds live in the nest. Which creature do we find on the walls of our house? We find lizard on the walls of our house. Now children, you have to repeat all these question answers daily. Okay, bye. See you. Take care.